Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So for today's video, I decided to create this dual colored liner look with holographic inner corners. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. That was it for today's video, guys. I feel this look is super chic. Do try this out and let me know your views about it in the comments section below. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.